Huawei's Pura 80 lineup has kicked off with a sensational launch across China. The eagerly awaited Pura 80 Pro and Pro Plus models were officially released, and in a matter of minutes, both online e-commerce platforms and physical retail outlets were flooded with buyers, selling out faster than expected. This exceptional sales response showcases the tremendous buzz Huawei has built around its newest flagship smartphones. By 10:08 a.m. on launch day, Huawei activated sales across both its official online portals and brick-and-mortar stores. The result? A massive consumer turnout. Buyers formed long queues outside major Huawei locations in cities like Shanghai and Beijing. Particularly at the popular San Lian flagship outlet on Nanjing East Road in Beijing, the scene resembled a major product premiere rather than a routine phone release. Shoppers weren't just waiting, they were racing to secure the Pura 80 Pro and Pro Plus. Many users took to social media, sharing that it took more than 15 minutes of refreshing the site or standing in line before they could finally purchase their devices. Others posted photos and video clips showing overcrowded stores, describing the entire buying process as chaotic yet rewarding. And the hype is justified. The Pura 80 Pro and Pro Plus feature a premium unibody design, lightweight form factor, and advanced camera hardware, all of which Huawei fans have been anticipating for months. However, such sky-high demand has led to a potential snag. Due to the rapid sellout of the initial inventory, Huawei might postpone the rollout of the Pura 80 Ultra model. So, if you're waiting for the Ultra variant, expect a slight delay. According to industry reports, Pura 80 Ultra shipments might now commence in mid-July. This development makes sense when considering that the entire initial stock of Pro and Pro Plus units, available through all official sales channels, was snapped up within just 10 minutes. This milestone speaks volumes about the market traction Huawei's Pura 80 series has achieved. At the same time, it indicates Huawei now needs to strategically manage its production pipeline and inventory allocation. Prioritizing the high-volume demand for Pro variants may be necessary before shifting focus to Ultra availability. While Huawei hasn't issued an official update regarding the Ultra variant shipment schedule, reliable sources suggest this may be a tactical decision, one that allows Huawei to ride the current wave of momentum while ensuring early adopters of the Pro lineup don't walk away disappointed. Interestingly, the company's Consumer Business Group president, He Gang, was present during several launch events. His appearance highlights Huawei's serious commitment to the success of the Pura 80 family. As the Standard and Ultra editions await launch, the tech industry is closely watching how their entry will shape overall sales performance. Initial impressions point to the Pura 80 series outpacing its predecessor by a significant margin. Fan response indicates Huawei has nailed the perfect combination of flagship-level innovation, build quality, and aesthetics. The camera system, in particular, is drawing widespread acclaim for its pro-grade imaging capabilities, a long-standing Huawei strength. Now the question arises, can Huawei successfully navigate this supply chain challenge? Will it replenish the Pura 80 Pro and Pro Plus inventory quickly enough to meet global demand? And most importantly, will the Ultra model justify the wait? All indicators suggest a resounding yes. Based on real-time user feedback and an explosive day one sellout, the Pura 80 range is quickly becoming one of China's top smartphone success stories of 2025. So, if you're eyeing the Ultra, a little more patience may be rewarded. Given the overwhelming reception for the Pro models, it's highly likely that the Ultra will deliver even more innovation and performance when it officially launches. Stay connected with us for the latest updates and comprehensive tech insights. And don't forget to subscribe for future coverage on Huawei's smartphone breakthroughs.